Xiaomi 12 and Xiaomi 12 Pro designs revealed in official teaser as release date, and Xiaomi 12X are also confirmed. Xiaomi has lifted the lid on the Xiaomi 12 series, which will include at least the Xiaomi 12, Xiaomi 12X and the Xiaomi 12 Pro. Not only has Xiaomi confirmed when it will reveal the Xiaomi 12 series, but it has also showcased what two models look like. Xiaomi has begun teasing the 12 series on Weibo, following months of leaks. Unusually, Xiaomi has confirmed the designs of two models, but there appears to be a third model in the offing too. Seemingly, Xiaomi is preparing to release the Xiaomi 12, Xiaomi 12 Pro and the Xiaomi 12X. According to the company, the devices pictured in one teaser are the Xiaomi 12 and the Xiaomi 12 Pro. The smaller of the two is the Xiaomi 12, rumored to feature a 6.2-inch display. Xiaomi has confirmed that both will rely on the Snapdragon 8 General 1 though, Qualcomm's latest flagship SoC. By contrast, Xiaomi has not published any teasers for the Xiaomi 12X. However, company executives are posting on Weibo using the device, shown in a screenshot below. For reference, Xiaomi is tipped to launch the Xiaomi 12X with a Snapdragon 870, and SoC based on the Snapdragon 865 series. The Xiaomi 12 series will debut on December 28 in China. Official teasers show that Xiaomi will commence its launch event at 1930 China Standard Time, CST, UTC 1130. It is unclear if Xiaomi will reveal the Xiaomi 12X on that date, let alone the Xiaomi 12 Ultra. Still, at least the Xiaomi 12 and Xiaomi 12 Pro will be in attendance.